We are at the beautiful Marriott Desert Springs JW Resort and Hotel in Palm Desert, California. Doing some restoration on their bell stand area. Craig, F9 Restoration, 855-803-1133. We got F9 Efflow, removing calcium, calcium carbonate, efflorescence, hard water stains on both integrally colored concrete and also some river stone here. The stuff was black. You can see it's still real black with calcium. So we hit it with that flow, did our thing, and the water recovery surface cleaner is doing its thing. Look at that. There's a before, there's an after.